Definite article. Definite article the is used. Number A. When the noun is known. When the noun is known to us, then we use definite article. For example, shirt. Here, this shirt is about a particular shirt. That is why what is used? Definite article the. How do we know that it is a particular what shirt? Because the words I am wearing, it tells us the shirt which is referred to. Number B, when there is only one in existence. For example, sun is one. See, we take it as one. So we use definite article the. Number C, when the reader or listener knows which one is referred to. Here, give me the book. See this example, give me the book. Give me book. The book, that is the book which we are talking about. Then number D, before adjectives or participles to represent a class of people. Here, this scheme is meant for the poor. The poor here means the poor people. Number E, before oceans, seas, rivers and deserts, we use article the. The Atlantic, the Bay of Bengal, the Thar, the Ganga. Number F, when the name of a country consists of, first is an adjective plus a noun, the definite article is required. So here it consists of an adjective plus a noun. Example, see here, United Kingdom. It consists of an adjective. United is an adjective and kingdom it is a noun. So in such type of name of country, we use article the. The United Arab Republic. United again what? It is an adjective. Arab Republic, it is a noun. But here you can see North Korea. Okay, North Korea, we have not used the North Korea, though it is the name of a country. Why? Because the adjective, there are some cases where adjective is north, south, east, west, upper, lower, great, then greater or new. Means the adjective which we are using here, the adjective which is used here, it is north, south, east, west, upper, lower, great, greater or new. In such cases, what happens? We do not use the definite article the. North Korea. In this example, you can see north. North is used. North. So we are not using what? Article the. Upper Volta. Upper. Once again, upper is here. So we are not using article the. But there are three countries, okay, three countries with one word names. They take the definite article. The Lebanon, the Congo, the Netherlands. Now see number G. When we refer to names of hotels, cinemas, theatres and ships, we use article the. The Taj Hotel, the PVR, the Cape of Good Hopes. So when we are referring to what? The names of hotels, cinemas, theatres and ships, we use article the. Next comes number H. Before ordinal numbers which make the nouns definite. Here the first thing we must add to the recipe is flour. The first ordinal number, first thing. The second summit of the organization was held in December. Number I, with superlative adjectives which make a noun definite. With superlative adjectives of all the girls in the competition, she is dash most beautiful. Most beautiful, it is superlative. So we use the before it. But you have to note here, when the word most is used in the sense of very or the majority, it is not a superlative and it does not require the definite article. The next is number J, with adjectives used as nouns. With adjectives used as nouns. Adjectives: sick, here lame. These are all adjectives, but they are used as nouns. The sick and the lame must be shown mercy. So here you can see that these adjectives, they are used as nouns. So whenever we use adjectives as nouns, we use a definite article the. Number K, next and last normally particularize. The next person is the last person. Next and last. The next person. So here the next person is dash last one in the list. So we are using what? Article the here. But here you can see the is omitted when next and last refers to a period. Okay, it refers to the period immediately before and after. Okay, before and after the present. Here Jane got married. Jane got married when? Last week. So just before and after we omit what? Article the. And Jim is getting married next week. So immediately next week. So here no article is used. The next number, when the with a singular countable noun, it represents a whole class of things. Dash elephant lives longer than most animals. Dash elephant. So here elephant, it is a singular countable noun used here, but it is representing the whole class, means in general elephants. Okay, elephants in general. So what is used? Article the is used. With the names of most newspapers and magazines, we use what? Article the. Then before the names of certain well-known books also, you can see the kind of books: the Bible, the Vedas, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Arabian Nights. So before the names of very well-known books, we use article the. Next is before plural proper names. Before plural proper names, Italians. Plural proper names, such as names of peoples and families. So here the Italians live in Italy. Italians, plural proper name, this one. English, again it is plural and it is a proper name. Now see in the notes, note the following. The English, we say the English, but we do not say the Englishmen. We say the French, but not, okay, the Frenchman. We say just Frenchmen. Next is before comparatives in constructions like dash more it rains, dash worse the roads will be. So though here you can see comparative, more is used here. Okay, more, and here it is worse. So here we use article the before comparatives in constructions like the more it rains, the worse the roads will be. Now the last one, before certain expressions of time. For example, in the morning, in the afternoon, we use article the. In dash morning, in dash afternoon, in dash evening. So it is in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But there are certain expressions of time where we do not use definite article. For example, last week, we do not say the last week. Month, we just say month. We do not say the month. Now definite article, the places where we omit definite article the. We omit definite article the where before plural nouns used for a whole class. Snakes, it is a plural noun. It is used for what? The whole class of snakes. So we are not using article the here. Before uncountable nouns with a general meaning. Before uncountable nouns with a general meaning. Steal. Uncountable. Can it be counted? No. It cannot be counted. So we do not use what? We omit definite article the. Next comes before the names of languages used as nouns. Names of languages which are used as nouns. He learned Russian. It is the name of a language, but here it is used as noun. So we do not use definite article the. It becomes wrong if we say he learned the Russian. It is just he learned Russian. But there is a condition. If the word for the language is used as an adjective, then what happens? The definite article is necessary to be put. See here, if the word for the language is used as an adjective, here it is used as an adjective. Russian language is spoken by millions of people. So we use definite article the. Then before man, which is used in the sense of mankind. Man here it refers to whom? The mankind. So here we omit what? Definite article the. The expressions for means of travel used generally. Okay, the expressions for means of travel. For example, rail, bus. These are the means of travel. We omit article the. When we are more specific, the definite article is required. But when we are more specific, we use what? The definite article the. He traveled by dash 8 o'clock train. So here it is specific. Which train? 8 o'clock train. So in this condition we use article the. The next is in certain other expressions like at home, on top, on foot, on loan, we do not use definite article the. But you will see here, there is a difference in meaning between the two sentences here you will find. He has gone to church. And the second one is, he has gone to the church. So what is the difference here? In the first sentence you can see, it is telling that he has gone to church. Church for what? To worship. But in the second sentence, he has gone to the church. So here as it is specific here. So what do we come to know? That there is some other work also for which he has gone to church. Maybe he has gone to church to do a job. Now, repetition of articles. There are certain sentences where we repeat articles. What kind of sentences we repeat articles? When two or more adjectives, they qualify the same noun. Okay, when two or more adjectives, see in the example, two or more adjectives, pink and blue, these are adjectives. So when they qualify the same noun, that is a frog, the article is used before the first adjective. So in this case you can see, when there are two or more adjectives which qualify the same noun, that is a frog, then what happens? Then we use article before the first adjective. So here it is used. At article A is used here. She bought a pink and blue frog. She bought one frog in two colors, that is pink and blue. Second one, there is a difference here. She bought a pink and a blue frogs. So here what happens? Here she has bought how many frogs? She has bought two frogs. One is pink in color and the other one is blue in color. Then the next condition is when two or more connected nouns, they refer to the same person or thing. Connected noun. Painter and sculptor. They are referring to one person. In this case what happens? We normally use article the before the first one. The painter and sculptor. Here it is used for one person. So there is only one person who is a painter as well as a sculptor, as I said now. The next number is the painter and the sculptor had come. So here it refers to two distinct people. Okay, two distinct person. The painter is a different person and the sculptor, he is a different person. So there are two different persons. One is a painter and the other is a sculptor. So till here I would like you all to revise it and write down in your copy also, and your homework is to do the assignment A and B first in your book. After we check it, then you are going to copy it in your language copy.